Viewers, welcome to my video. Today's video is the topic that is the school, college, universities, and office working people who are very busy do not have the time to follow these remedies. So first I tell you that in today's video we will talk about the topics. 1. Hydration habits for busy days. 2. On-the-go sothers. 3. Winter-ready lunchbox essentials. 4. Desk-friendly respiratory exercises. 5. Stress management for improved immunity. 6. Power naps and restorate breaks. 7. Snacks for immune boosting. 8. Home remedies recipes. Then we have some questions that you can answer in the comments so that we and the audience are not difficult. And then the religious from all these topics in the end are answers to some questions that everyone should know. To find out the answers to the questions, you will find a link in the description box. Our website can easily read your questions on our website. Let's start the video again. Embarking on a mission to conquer cold and cough within a day demands a strategic approach tailored for the dynamic lives of students and professionals. This comprehensive guide not only provides effective home remedies but also includes recipes and winter wardrobe essentials, ensuring a holistic approach for quick relief. 1. Hydration habits for busy days. In the hustle and bustle of academic and professional life, maintaining hydration is key. Discover effective ways to incorporate hydration into your busy schedule, ensuring you stay refreshed and support your body's natural healing process. Consider the following hydrating options. Water. The ultimate hydrator, make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle throughout the day. Herbal teas. Explore varieties like chamomile, peppermint, or ginger tea for added benefits. Clear soups. Nutrient-rich broths not only keep you hydrated but also provide essential vitamins. 2. On-the-go soothers. Explore portable remedies that fit seamlessly into your school or office routine. These convenient solutions provide instant relief without disrupting your daily activities. Here's a breakdown of on-the-go soothers to keep in your bag or desk drawer. Throat lozenges. Carry throat lozenges for quick and discreet relief from sore throats. Opt for flavors that are both soothing and enjoyable. Herbal teas in travel-friendly thermoses. Prepare herbal teas at home and carry them in insulated thermoses. Choose teas with ingredients like chamomile or ginger for added benefits. Portable humidifier. For combating dry indoor air, consider a portable humidifier. These compact devices add moisture to the air, helping soothe respiratory discomfort. Steam inhaler pens. Compact and easy to use, steam inhaler pens deliver the benefits of steam therapy on the go. Inhale the soothing vapors to relieve nasal congestion. Essential oil rollerballs. Essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can provide relief. Carry rollerballs for a mess-free application, offering a quick aromatherapy session wherever you are. 3. Winter-ready lunchbox essentials. Prepare a lunchbox that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also provides warmth and nourishment during the chilly winter days. Learn about easy-to-pack, nutrient-rich additions that enhance your body's ability to fight off the cold and cough. Consider including these winter-ready delights. Hot soups in insulated containers. Carry hearty soups like chicken noodle or minestrone in insulated containers to enjoy a warm and comforting midday meal. Thermos of herbal tea or warm water. Hydrate and stay warm with a thermos of herbal tea or warm water. Consider options like ginger tea for added immune-boosting benefits. Stews and casseroles. Opt for hearty stews or casseroles packed with seasonal vegetables, lean proteins, and warming spices. Roasted vegetables and protein-packed quiches. Roasted vegetables not only retain their nutritional value but also offer a delicious way to stay warm. Protein-packed quiches provide a filling and tasty option. Baked sweet treats. Include baked goods like muffins, scones, or granola bars for a sweet and energizing snack. Choose recipes that incorporate ingredients like nuts and oats for added warmth. Dried fruits and nuts. Boost your energy levels with a mix of dried fruits and nuts. These snacks are not only convenient but also nutrient-dense. Pack your lunchbox with these winter-friendly options to ensure you stay satisfied, warm, and nourished throughout the day. 4. Desk-friendly respiratory exercises. Incorporate these simple and effective breathing exercises into your daily routine at your desk to promote respiratory health and combat the challenges of the cold season. Deep belly breathing. Sit comfortably, place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your abdomen fall. Repeat for several breaths. Pursed lip breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 2 counts. Purse your lips and exhale slowly for 4 counts. This technique helps improve lung function and control shortness of breath. Diaphragmatic breathing with desk support. Sit straight in your chair with feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your desk and lean forward slightly. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand. Exhale slowly through pursed lips. Repeat as needed. Chair yoga breathing. Incorporate gentle chair yoga movements into your routine. As you move, synchronize your breath with the movements, promoting relaxation and improved lung capacity. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. Sit comfortably, close your right nostril with your thumb, and inhale through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger, release the right nostril, and exhale. Inhale through the right nostril, close it, release the left nostril, and exhale. Repeat this pattern. Integrate these desk-friendly exercises to enhance your respiratory well-being, reduce stress, and stay invigorated during the winter months. 5. Stress management for improved immunity. In the quest for bolstering your immune system, effective stress management plays a pivotal role. Try these simple yet powerful breathing exercises to cultivate a sense of calm and fortify your body's defenses. Box breathing, square breathing. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold your breath for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and then maintain an empty breath for another 4 counts. Repeat this cycle. 4, 7, 8 breathing. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale audibly through your mouth for a count of 8. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Mindful breathing meditation. Set aside a few minutes for mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling naturally. Allow thoughts to come and go without judgment, bringing your attention back to your breath. Counted breath awareness. Inhale deeply, counting silently to yourself. Exhale slowly, matching the count of your inhalation. Increase the count gradually as you become more at ease. Guided imagery breathing. Close your eyes and envision a peaceful scene. As you breathe deeply, immerse yourself in the details of this calming imagery. Let each breath bring tranquility. Incorporate these stress-relieving breathing exercises into your routine to not only manage stress but also enhance your immune system's resilience. A calm mind contributes to a robust body, ready to face the challenges of the day. 6. Power naps and restorative breaks. Incorporate strategic power naps and restorative breaks into your academic or workday. Adequate rest is a powerful ally in your quest for quick recovery, helping your body rejuvenate and fight off the symptoms. 7. Snacks for immune boosting. Elevate your immune system with these nutritious and delicious snacks that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, these snacks contribute to overall well-being and respiratory health. Citrus Delight. Enjoy a citrus medley with orange slices, grapefruit, or mandarin segments. Rich in vitamin C, these fruits support immune function and provide a refreshing snack. Nuts and seeds mix. Create a power-packed mix of almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. These nuts are abundant in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamin E, promoting a robust immune response. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey. Probiotics in yogurt contribute to gut health, which is closely linked to immune function. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Snack on colorful vegetable sticks like carrots, bell peppers, and cucumber with a side of hummus. Hummus provides a combination of protein and fiber for sustained energy. Turmeric roasted chickpeas. Roast chickpeas with a sprinkle of turmeric for a crunchy and immune-boosting snack. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties add an extra health punch. Green tea and whole grain crackers. Sip on green tea, a source of antioxidants, paired with whole grain crackers. This combination provides a satisfying and immune-supportive snack. Cheese and whole grain bread. enjoy a slice of whole grain bread with a serving of cheese. The combination of carbohydrates and protein offers a balanced snack to keep you energized. Berries smoothie. Blend a mix of berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, with yogurt for a delicious and immune-enhancing smoothie. Avocado toast. Top whole grain toast with sliced avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, supporting overall immune health. Dark chocolate with almonds. Indulge in dark chocolate paired with almonds. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants, while almonds provide a dose of vitamin E. Incorporate these immune-boosting snacks into your daily routine to not only satisfy your cravings but also fortify your body's defenses during the winter months. Home remedies recipes. Herbal tea elixir. Combine hot water, ginger, honey, and a squeeze of lemon for a soothing tea that provides comfort and boosts immunity. Nutrient-packed smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, berries, and a dollop of yogurt for a delicious and health-packed smoothie. Winter wardrobe essentials for the office, university, and college. Woolen blazers and cardigans. Stay warm and stylish with these office-friendly winter essentials. Thermal underwear, a discreet layer for ultimate warmth without adding bulk. Stylish scarves and neck warmers. Elevate your office attire while keeping the neck area protected. Insulated gloves. Choose gloves that offer warmth without compromising your ability to work. While a one-day cure might be ambitious, these tailored home remedies, recipes, and wardrobe essentials are crafted to expedite your recovery and minimize downtime. Implement these strategies into your routine, and remember, your well-being is a priority, no matter how demanding your academic or professional life may be. Empower yourself with these specialized approaches, bid farewell to cold and cough symptoms swiftly, and ensure a cozy and healthy winter. Make us comments. 1. Have you ever battled a cold or cough and wished for a quick remedy? Share your go-to home remedies or any unique strategies you've tried for fast relief. 2. In this comprehensive guide to conquering colds and coughs, we've covered a range of strategies. Which one are you most eager to try? Let us know in the comments. 3. For our student and professional community, staying healthy is crucial. What additional tips or tricks do you have to share for quick recovery during busy academic or work days? 4. Winter wellness is a shared journey. Are there any specific challenges you face during the cold season? Drop your questions or concerns in the comments, and let's discuss solutions together. 5. Curious about the immune-boosting snacks or stress-relieving exercises mentioned? Share your thoughts or ask any questions you have. Our health-focused community is here to help. Visit our website to find answers to questions related to this home remedy. You will find the website link easily in the description box and all your confusion will be removed.